Okay, Mike, so Victor here. I want to make the quick video of door lock driver side actuator. So the actuator that you had was blown, and it is blown. As you can see it, it's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's all messed up. Okay, so it's leaking air and vacuum and what have you, so it's bad. I'm putting in original Mercedes because you do not want to take this stuff apart very often. Now, the way I did it is that I preserved the original, it's called moisture barrier, but at the end of the day it's like the barrier on top of the noise canceller, because this is foam. You don't really see it in new cars. This is expensive stuff, so I wanted to keep it together. The only thing that I have a problem with is like this very little line, but at the end of the day it's still fine. And the speaker over here, everything's fine, and I put it all back together. The actuator is over there, like behind all this. So yeah, I kept it original. The only thing that I have an issue with, it's not even an issue, it's just that somebody removed, but somebody removed the panel, because original clips have these little seals, not seals like the grommets, but all the others, as you can see, they're all white and these are green. So somebody took this apart. Not like it's a big problem. I'll put it back together, it's not a problem, but it's just that I do not understand why do you need to take the panel off doing nothing behind the actual barrier. That's my problem. Anyway, so let me just take the key. The light from my camera, from my light over my head, is probably going to disturb the actual sensor. So let's just see if that's going to work. And it's not working because I'm pointing my light directly to the sensor. There it goes. So I put my light away because this is infrared. So if I'm going to put the infrared, like I have LED, so I'm gonna go away. As you can see, it works. And most importantly, it's gonna be dark on the video, but most importantly, we have to see the actual lock. This piece come up. I'm sorry I cannot show you this because if I'm going to shine light on it, then you know. Okay, I'll try to do like maybe sideways or something like this. There goes down. That's the key. Goes up. I don't know if you can see it, but I just trying to, because I cannot block the actual signal. Up. Down. So anyway, it works, it's fine, everything's fine. I want to put the panel back on because tomorrow, it's actually daytime almost. It's about 5 a.m. in the morning, but my agenda is just to get this all together and get the panel back together, because I do not want to have the panel sitting in the trunk. I'll do it right now. And window regulator, I checked it out, it seems to be fine, so that's good news. The plastic slider is good, and I'll put the panel back on right now, so tomorrow, today, I'll get to work on the engine. Yeah, the speaker is over there, so I'll put the speaker back in and all that good stuff. Okay, so let me move on, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. or whenever I talk to you.